Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Sukriti Edutech. Today we will see interesting quiz on birds. Let's start the quiz. Question number 1. Flamingos are born with white feathers. What gives them their famous pink color? Your options: A. Diet of crabs, B. Diet of shrimps, C. Diet of lobsters, and D. Diet of octopus. Your time starts now. B. Diet of shrimps, the right answer. Let's see the next question. Question number 2. Which is the world's smallest bird? Your options: A. Goldfinch, B. Goldcrest, C. Lovebirds, and D. B. Hummingbird. Your time starts now. D. Hummingbird is the right answer. Let's see the next question. Question number 3. Which bird has a noisy laughing call? Your options: A. Woodpecker, B. Hummingbird, C. Kookaburra, and D. Kingfisher. Your time starts now. C. Kookaburra is the right answer. Let's see the next question. Question number 4. A pen is a female swan and a cygnet is a baby swan. What is the name of the male swan? Your options: A. Fry, B. Cob, C. Chick, D. Bob. Your time starts now. B. Cob is the right answer. Let's see the next question. Question number 5. Which bird's beak can hold water more than its belly can? Your options: A. Toucan, B. Crane, C. Pelican, D. Cassowary. Your time starts now. C. Pelican is the right answer. Let's see the next question. Question number 6. What kind of bird has a huge yellow bill? Your options: A. Toucan, B. Crane, C. Kingfisher, D. Woodpecker. Your time starts now. A. Toucan is the right answer. What type of bird catches fish in its throat pouch? Your options: A. Toucan, B. Crane, C. Pelican, D. Ostrich. Your time starts now. C. Pelican is the right answer. Let's see the next question. Question number 8. What is the largest flying parrot species in the world that leaves you in awe its bright blue feathers? Your options: red macaw, green wing macaw, C. Military macaw, and D. hyacinth macaw. Your time starts now. D. hyacinth macaw is the right answer. Let's see the next question. Question number 9. Which country has the flamingo as its national bird? Your options: A. Peru, B. New Zealand, C. The Bahamas, D. Canada. Your time starts now. C. The Bahamas is the right answer. Let's see the next question. Question number 10. Which migratory bird makes the longest journey from pole to pole? Your options: A. Arctic tern, B. Siberian cranes, C. Greater flamingo, D. White pelican. Your time starts now. A. Arctic tern is the right answer. Let's see the next question. Question number 11. What do the ostriches swallow which helps them to digest food? Your options: A. Fruits and flowers, B. Shrubs and grass, D. Small insects, D. Stones and pebbles. Your time starts now. D. Stones and pebbles is the right answer. Let's see the next question. Question number 12. Which of the following is poisonous bird in the world? Your options: A. Mallard, B. Grebes, C. Hooded Pitahui, D. Gadwall. Your time starts now. C. Hooded pituitary is the right answer. Let's see the next question. Question number 13. Which bird has legs but can't walk? Your options: A. Osprey, B. Hummingbird, D. Grebes, D. Sparrow. Your time starts now. B. Hummingbird is the right answer. Let's see the next question. Question number 14. Which bird can sleep while flying? Your options: an albatross, B. Grebes, C. Mallard, D. Gatwall. Your time starts now. And albatross is the right answer. Let's see the next question. Question number 15. Question number 15. Which is the national bird of Nepal? A. Himalayan merlin, B. Sparrow, C. Peacock, D. Cuckoo. Your time starts now. A. Himalayan merlin is the right answer. Thank you so much for watching my channel. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.